Hara Racing and winning in Asia with the Infinity Steel prototype 1/8 scale buggy machine. Agama Bullet Seismic by Tavernon in France, successful in GP Viglen in both categories. This is the old layout and this is the new layout as it will become for the EFRA European Championship Seniors, September 2023 in Austria. Overall and Juniors and Seniors wins by Bermudez and Aigoin. GP Montpellier Brushless 2023 X-Ray. At GP Montpellier also Musso with HP Racing and Seismic tires. The body is probably the Seismic prototype Radical. Tekno was at GP Montpellier Brushless, first edition 2023, full gas. Interesting numbers by the French Federation. The number of licenses in France for RC racing or fun hobby 2000 to 2022, 9,000 or 8,000 or 7,000, but lots of licenses. Very nice.